As I am sure you've heard me say before if you've ever watched QVC. If you're watching for the first time, hi, welcome, come on in here. I grew up in an Army family. We had red, white, and blue everywhere. And all over my house, my mom's house, we decorate with red, white, and blue. And I've heard in the 15 years that I have joined or been a part of the QVC family that you do too. And so I always thought that was just us. Oh no, so many of us decorate with red, white, and blue year-round. This is the special edition from Temp-tations, set of 4 8-inch Patriotic app plates. You're getting one in that classic pattern with the floral lace and the old world in the red, white, and blue. You're getting a red, white, and blue with those beautiful stars and the white background. You're getting a red, white, and blue in the old world pattern, and you're getting a red, white, and blue in the floral lace. They are a clearance price of $20.54. That means they are about $5 and change per plate. You can stack them up and put them away when they're not in use, but when they are the cutest dessert, salad, serving, taco night plates, and there's only 2,200 sets remaining. I say pick up more than one, because this is a beautiful way to serve dessert around the spring and summer season. H257200, Lisa Lasorte is coming back with us to talk to us all about them. And Lisa, at $5.14 a plate, I think we're going to need multiple sets.
Yeah, and Mary, think about what you spend for paper plates and throwaway plates in the summertime, right? You want to get that patriotic theme, so you're like, okay, I'll go to the party goods store and that's what I'll buy. And then you throw them away. Well, at this amazing clearance price, and we're not going to be bringing these back, you can have these year after year after year. They are 8 inches, which I love. So it's still a great serving size. And when you want to stack them to put them away and you want to store them in your cabinet, super easy. And I love the fact that just like all of our plates, they have what we call a well design. What that means is that there's depth to the plate. So let me show you over here. When you want to do things that have a sauce or anything like that, first of all, I want to show you capacity. Like, don't let the size fool you. This is a full-size hamburger with some potato salad and some little gherkins. Where's MC? Mary, because he just twitched a little bit. There's some gherkins on the side right there. And then look over here. It can fit a nice big hot dog. Again, these are great for portion control. They're great for apps. Over here, we did some pigs in a blanket. We did our little, I love these, our little egg rolls piled high. So now it's a serving platter.
Cute.
And individual desserts with a pot de creme with some biscotti. And look how beautiful this all is. I mean, this is hot, cold, and all oven safe if you need to reheat anything up.
Well, what I see there too is some really cute entertaining possibilities, because
yes,
I look at this and I think, okay, these are now my spring and summer dessert plates. These are also what I kind of want to put askew down the center of my table and put a little flameless candle in the middle of, right? Like, there's so many different ways that you can use them, but quite frankly, they're $5.14 a piece. So think about it.
Yeah.
If you pick up 2, that's service for 8.
Exactly right. And they look beautiful when you layer them on top of a plate as well. So put it on top of your dinnerware. You get that great star design right there. But this is what you're talking about, right? Whether they're filled or whether they're empty, just like so, layering these down your table, like you start to see how you can put the points together or you can make them kind of off center. But this is also just a beautiful piece to put out on your coffee table, your picnic table. It doesn't matter. You could put this in a powder room and you could literally put some soaps in here. You could put this in a guest room and you could put 2 water bottles for your guests. So it's a beautiful tray. It's a beautiful piece of home decor as well. But wow, we're not going to be bringing these back. And Mary, can you believe it's only about 50 days till Memorial Day? That's it.
What planet is this? I had no idea. Oh my gosh.
It's right.
What is happening?
I know it's Easter.
By the way, you're looking at somebody who I washed all the windows in my house yesterday. Well,
you did?
Not all. If Mr. D is watching right now, he's like, it was some. But we threw all the windows open. We got the air moving through the house. It just felt fresh. It felt like spring. Things are blooming. We're seeing the daffodils and the hyacinths and everything. Memorial Day is right around the corner. But quite frankly, this is a set of 4 that you could use year round. Now, you're getting the old world pattern. You're getting the classic pattern that has the floral lace and the old world together, you're getting the floral lace dish. And then at the very end, you're getting the one with the white background with the little stars all over it. We only have 2,100 sets remaining, and this is no reorder. For the first time ever, they are $20.54. So, I mean, Lisa, when I look at this, I think when you get it home, you're going to spend the first few minutes like I did going, oh my gosh, they're so cute. And then you're going to be like, wait a minute, I could use these for brunch. I could use these for decorating. This goes so well with my other Temp-tations, red, white, and blue. I mean, this is that quintessential, almost like a completer set.
That's exactly right. I just wanted to show you. Steph just handed to me. Look how beautiful this looks layered on top of a plate. Isn't that so cute?
Yes.
So it adds texture, dimension to your table. Like, these are the pieces that make you smile. That, you know, you're right, Mary. Patriotic, use it all year long. And because they all don't match exactly, that's what makes them fun. But use them for food, use them for appetizers, use them for desserts. But you're going to use them for so many more things.
Oh my gosh, yes. Okay, they are a clearance price. There is no reorder. You get 1, 2, 3, 4 of the special edition set of 4. Oh, we played a little Sousa. Patriotic plates. Oh, I love when we play the march of music. I do. And the clearance price means there is no reorder. Oh, I'm going to have to march it out. Lisa Lesort, thank you so much for bringing them to the show today.
Bye, Mary. See you soon.
Okay, thank you. Bye. She's coming back. She's going to march it right back in here, and she's going to chat with us all about the set of 5 microfiber towels. Oh, my gosh. I love these towels. We've got lots of great patterns coming up. But, hey, can I just tell you how much band music I've heard in my life? Woo! Been to a lot of change of commands. And I got to one time, we had the U.S. Army Band